What'd you say? I've been on shift 46 hours. We're two shifts.
You said you didn't know where she went. Is there any chance she could have been with another guy?
Do you want to run with that theory? Good luck. Are we done here? I mean, since you have any beef, professional or personal, how about some compassion? How about the military? Because we got like 20 years. So, believe me, I'm not with you. You know, Terry, she said nothing but beef's lover or hater. Last week, she said something about Joe shouted her down on her desk, something stupid.